In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort data because sometimes it's faster to find data by sorting rather than by creating filters. So for example, in the weight column, maybe I want to sort by weight so I can see who the heaviest is and the lightest. So to sort, if you hover your cursor over the letters of the columns, you'll notice the little arrows appear. So for weight, if I click on the little arrow, you'll notice there is a sort sheet A to Z. So that's going to put my lowest weight to the highest weight. So here we go. It starts at 169 and goes up from there. Now if I wanted it to sort the other way so that the heaviest is at the top, this guy weighs 382 pounds. Okay, I can do that same thing for age. So maybe I want to see who my youngest people are. So there's some 21-year-olds. I can also do that for experience. So any column that you want to sort through, you just click on the down arrow. Okay, so now I've got this in order by experience, but notice it's just kind of in a scrambled order over here. So maybe I need to put it in order by experience, but then I also want it in order by, let's say, the name. In this case, it's going to be the first name. But if I try to sort this, you notice then it's going to jumble up the experience. Okay, it's not going to keep those together. So I'm going to, in this case, I need to sort a range. So in this case, I'm going to click back on that page selector there. And I'm going to go to my data menu, and you notice there's a sort range. And I'm going to do an advanced range sort. Okay, now we're going to check that our data does have a header row. And the first thing I'm going to sort by, let's say I want to sort by experience, A to Z. So I'm going to put all my rookies together, then 1 year of experience, 2 years, and on. And then I'm going to add another sort column. I'm going to sort it by name. Now when I click on sort, you notice then the experience column, this is sorted, it puts all the zeros together, but look, these are in alphabetical order as well. So really I have two sorts here, and that's the way we sort in Google Sheets.